Huawei model U6 compact, hard reset. First step, turn off the phone. Next step, press volume up and power button at the same time and wait. When the start logo, remove fingers from buttons and wait. Next step, scroll with volume down to do function wipe data factory reset and select by power button, and again wipe data factory reset, scroll with volume down key and press power button and wait, formatting data. Next, reboot system now, select by power button, end of job. Thanks for watching Halo channel.